Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, hope you are good and safe at your homes. Welcome to this online computer class. Today's topic: natural and man-made things. From page number 5 to 8 of book. Dear students, today we are going to see natural things versus man-made things. So let's start our today's lesson. First of all, we are going to discuss about natural things. Natural things, the basic understanding of natural things is things that exist or occur in nature and have not been made or are not caused by people. Natural things are made by nature. Now we are going to discuss about man-made things. Man-made things. Man-made refers to something that was created by humans. Man-made things are made by man. So let us see natural things first. Here are some examples of natural things such as sun, moon, tree, and fish. Now let us see more natural things. This is a carrot. This is fire. You shouldn't play with this. From the cloud, water droplets are coming. So what is it? Yes, rain. And after rain, what comes? Yes, rainbow. So all these are natural things, isn't it? Sun, moon, tree, fish, carrot, rain, rainbow, and fire. Let us come on man-made things. Man-made things are made by man. Here are some examples of man-made things. You play with it. Do you know what is it? Yes, this is a ball. It shows you time. Can you tell? Yes, this is a clock. You like to ride on it, isn't it? So what is it? Yes, this is a bicycle. Daily you watch it. Can you recognize? Yes, it is a television. A television is a machine. You wish to go for a long drive, isn't it? So, in which you go? Yes, in a car. And look what it is. Yes, this is a computer. A computer is an electronic machine, and machines are man made things. Ball, clock, bulb, telephone, bicycle, car, television, and computer. So, all these are man made things. So, now hope you understood the difference between the natural things and man made things. Now, let's move on to today's homework. Here are some key terms from your book, and key term number one is machine. Machine is a man made thing. It makes our work easier and faster. Key term number two is computer. Computer is an electronic machine. It helps to write, draw, and learn. You have to write and learn these key terms. Here are some questions for you students, and you have to learn and write these question answers in your notebook. Question number one is define natural things. Answer is natural things are made by nature. Question number two is define man made things. And answer is man made things are made by humans. Question number three is what are machines? And answer is machines are man made things. You have to write the answers to these questions in your notebook. Hope you understood today's lesson. Thank you.